Hi y'all, I'm back. With the move, things have been so crazy, and I actually have 3 batteries for the camera, and I can't find 2 of them. So one battery only lasts a little while, and I had to quit yesterday. It takes about 4 hours for the battery to recharge. So I have some new batteries coming, but we will get caught up with these boxes and get them posted and get back on track as quickly as possible. So let's get right down to opening our mint mongoose package for this month. I just love her stuff. Very well taped. Okay, and then oops, there's something in the bottom, usually a little candy. Yay, a little Werther's. Who can't go wrong with the Werther's? A little sweet. So then we have the little envelope that it comes in with their cute little mint mongoose seal on it. And on the back we have a little card I'll show you. So it says, Imagine, Explore, Create. Imagine, Explore, Create, all the way around the light bulb. It's really pretty. Inspirational. All right, our inspiration for this month. Hi there, this month's set is inspired by harnessing and running with creativity. Between the jewelry creations and the daily lives of 3 kiddos ages 5 and under, one thing we are not short of in my household is creativity. However, it wasn't until my daughter Emma ran up to show me her 1498th drawing that I realized it. She caught me right at the right moment, and that drawing stopped me in my tracks. I began watching her and her brother Emerson as they continuously pushed the boundaries of reality to live with flair in the life they were creating moment by moment. It was a beautiful thing. We have rocks in front of our house, and 99% of the time we come or go, Emerson grabs a rock which he becomes instantly attracted to and dreads having to return it to its home. While Emma grabbed my attention and drew my eyes to the creativity we were thriving in, I really wanted to incorporate Emerson and his quirky ways as we celebrate his 4th year of life and Emma's 6th. With my infatuation with nature, I couldn't think of a better way to memorialize my little man's love for those landscaping rocks than with some real polished stones. 3, of course, for my 3 kiddos. I hope that this set reminds you of a few things when you wear it. 1, the beautiful things happening all around you that may be a bit clouded by day to day, but that only take a little effort to appreciate. And 2, the amazing tool that creativity is and the power it has to completely transform and inspire when given the chance. You have it in you, and I hope that when you wear this set, you will feel inspired to create. Very nice. I love that she does a theme every month. It really kind of ties something to the piece of jewelry, gives you an intention to wear it, which you know I'm so big on intention setting and that kind of thing. So let's see what we got. Her envelopes are always so well done. Good gum on them. Okay, finally. All right. It's all wrapped in this nice mint mongoose color paper. So this one looks like it's, not sure. So we've got one with the little mint mongoose on there, and then she's got spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So she's always doing amazing things with discounts and stuff like that on her shop as well. Okay, where does this open? I see a flap maybe. There it is. Okay. Bubble wrap. Everything's safe. So pretty. And I just love that all of their necklaces have the different rings on the top so that you can make it longer or shorter. And then they always have their cute little mint mongoose symbol. How pretty. Oh, I wonder what this is. It looks like snowflake obsidian. I'd like it if she'd tell on the videos. My light's not picking up very good. There we go. I'd love it if she'd say in her descriptions what the stones are so that we know. But since she talked about this being a real stone this time, I'm assuming that this is snowflake obsidian. So pretty. And 3 stones for her kids. Then we have the earrings. Sorry, I'm so clumsy trying to get stuff open today. Maybe the scissors will help. Well, they're in there really good. Okay, and oh no. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to get in touch with her. One of my earrings, so it has one earring with the back. And then this earring is broken. Now remember, she has a lifetime warranty on them, so I'm not worried about it. But see, the top there doesn't have the earring hanger on it. So I will have to email her and let her know, and I'm sure she'll get me out another pair. I fix it myself, but it's not in the bag or anything. So there's nothing for me to be able to fix it. So I will let her know about that. I have no doubt that she'll get me a replacement right out. So that's the wonderful thing about working with them. She's super responsive and will take care of any problems that you have. And then the last one is a beautiful chain, again with the mint mongoose. Now, last time, so this has 3 chain pieces. Look how pretty, to kind of go along with. And the one thing I did last time is I hung it the wrong way. I hung this down, but you could really do it either way. So you can do it like that it's planned with the 3 pieces, which on this one, I think that's the way I'll do it. But you can also turn it around and actually have the mint mongoose hanging down if that's your preferred way to wear it. I think this way will be much better this time with the 3 things. So look how pretty. So we've got the beautiful, do this down one more. There we go. So you've got 2 beautiful necklaces that will hang. Do this one up one more for me. But you can see how you can make them hang any way that you want. Okay, so this one needs to go shorter. Hang it on this one. There we go. So that's kind of what they're gonna look like. Get the tail out of the way when it hangs on your neck. Like this. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. Ah. And I love snowflake obsidian. So this is a great one for me to wear. So what do you think? I mean, for the price of this box, you just cannot beat the jewelry that you get. And with the warranty on it, a lifetime warranty, you just can't beat it anywhere. So if you're looking for a necklace or a jewelry subscription box, I really recommend going down to the link in the description and ordering Mint Mongoose so that you can enjoy something special every month that makes you feel connected with some type of an intention to it. I hope that you're having a great day. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. It helps so much to get the video seen if you're commenting and giving the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you all so very much and hope to see you again really soon. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.